Hello viewers, welcome to Moto and Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you what are the new changes in Galaxy S8 official Oreo update. Today morning I just updated my device to 8.0 and now let's see what are the new features introduced in this update. As you can see in the notification panel, the icons are little bit changed. And it's showing like if you are popping down, the icons are popping. If you are expanding the notification panel, the icons are popping up, and if you are pulling up the notification panel, the icons are popping down here. Now let's see what are the changes in the notification toggle bar. As you can see, the animation is now little bit changed. For expanding the notification quick toggle bar, and in the quick toggle menu in the first page you can see that a blue light filter toggle is introduced, and in the second page smart view, then phone visibility, and then voice wake up. These three new toggles are introduced in the second page. That's it here. And now let's move to the menu. In the menu section you can see that the search option is little bit changed. A new mic icon is introduced, and you can simply tap that mic icon and you say something and it will recognize it, and you can also type it here, and that's it in the search. And yes, here you can see that you can manually delete your search histories. What history you don't want to be in this list, you can delete that. And after that, let me show you the camera application. In the camera application you can see that there is an option for the full view camera. You can simply toggle it on or off. You can see full view camera turned on, you can see it. And now if I turn it off, the full view camera is turned off. And in the Bixby vision and sticker section, the icons are replaced by the text here. You can see in the sticker, there are lots of new stickers are introduced, and you can simply download all the other stickers from the store. And now if you go to the setting, you can see that there is a option for default live sticker and default stamp. Now let's move to the setting application. As you can see, the HDR option is moved from this quick toggle bar in the camera application. For to turn on your HDR, you have to go to setting, and then you can simply find HDR auto on or off. Actually there should be the option for turning on or off the quick toggle from here. You can change your camera resolution from here. That's it, nothing new here. And there is an option for motion photo and video stabilizations that were also previously present here. Floating camera buttons, volume key to press the volume key to take the picture, that were already present in the Android 7.0. Now let's move to the setting application. As you can see, the search bar option is the search bar is now changed. It is there is a quick there is a mic button introduced. You can simply click on that mic and you can talk to it, and it will recognize your voice and convert it to text, and it will search accordingly. And in the beside the search bar, there is an account option. You can click on that and you can change the picture of your profile. You can choose it from your gallery, or you can take instantly and choose select the photo as your profile picture, and you can get all your account information, password, security, privacies, and relationships and places. And in the three dot menu you can see that there are settings like sync setting. In the sync setting you can simply change the sync status for all what application you want to turn the sync on or turn the sync off, like calendar, Gmail, etc. And if you want to remove your account from Samsung, you can simply click on the remove account button, and you can do it. That's it here. Now let's move to the display section. In the display section, as you can see, in under the display section there is an option of edge screen, and under the edge screen, edge lighting. Yes, you can see. Now you can manually change when you want to see the edge lighting. If you want to see the edge lighting when that screen is turned on, or when the screen is turned off, or always. And you can simply do that by selecting any of the options, and there are more control over edge lighting style here. You can see, you can change the effect here. I am currently using the multicolor. It's really very glossy, and it's looks really very cool in the multicolor. You can also choose the glow or glitter or basic here, and in the color section you can also change the color of the edge lighting. If you select blue, you can see the multicolor edge lighting. The theme has changed to blue, yellow, and I don't know all the color names actually. Yeah, this some kind of pink or anything, I don't know actually. This is purple, blue, sky blue, deep, I mean light blue. Yeah, it's actually pink, then kind of orange, yellow. You can select accordingly. I am using this kind of red uh, theme here. That's it. And you can also change the width of the edge lighting. You can simply increase it and decrease it, and then you can control the transparency of the edge lighting. That's it. Here, let me apply. And then you can manage all the apps which will show you the edge lighting. You can turn on the edge lighting for all the apps, or turn off, or you can manually select for which all apps you want to see it, or for which all app you don't want to see it. That's it here. Now let's move to the other section, like advanced features. In this advanced feature, you can see there is an option of smart stay. Actually, these options was there in previous Samsung phones, but I don't know, due to some unknown reason. Actually, the reason is not known to me. If anybody from you know the reason, please do comment in the comment section and let me know the reason. That due to some unknown reason, Samsung discontinued this feature from his phones, the smart stay. But as part of Oreo update, they introduced this feature from the smart stay. You can simply turn it on, and it will turn the display on when you are looking at the display, and if you are not looking at the display may turn off. That's it here. And then there is option of dual messenger. Actually, this is not new feature. There are lots of other phones or other phone manufacturers that were introduced this dual messenger app, but it's new to the Samsung device, and it's a welcome feature. Actually, in this dual messenger, you can simply use two accounts simultaneously in your phone without using any third party apps. You can easily do this. And in the market there are also some third party apps, like parallel space. Using that application, you can also use the dual messenger app if you don't own a Samsung device or any other device that supports the dual messaging app. Now let's move from here. Okay, let me show you the software version. I totally forgot about that. About software information, yeah, you can see that it's Android 8.0.0 and Samsung Experience 9.0. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's showing the Android Oreo version, which is the latest version. I think there is another version already out there, that is 8.1, but currently Samsung is providing update only to 8.0. I think in near future it will provide the update to 8.0. Yes, in this section there are options for better information, legal information, status like IMEI number, etc. So that's it here, guys. In the apps, I don't think there are nothing new introduced except this. Yeah, one thing I want to mention here, that the iris scanning feature that were present in this device is now hugely improved. Yes, hugely improved. It is working very quick and become very responsive. I just have to take a glance at my screen or at the iris camera, and the quickly, I mean the very quickly the phone gets unlocked. It's a really very cool feature, actually. Really very improved feature. And if I consider the face recognition, yes, it's also improved a little bit, but I actually don't use the face recognition. It's not the safest way to unlock the S8, as Samsung also advised this not to use. This is all here. Now let me check if there is anything in the general management or not. Yeah, there is nothing new. This is all here. I have checked in this the setting application, and there is nothing new in setting application except this. Now let's move to the other application like calendar. Yeah, in the calendar application the UI is little bit changed. As you can see, there is an quick note that is showing if there is any reminder or anything, or any notes, or any events are there on, but on that particular date it will show in the below of the calendar. If you select the 14th of Feb, it will show something. If you select 15th, it will show different thing. And it is showing also the current location and the weather forecast for that day also. You can change it from the setting. As you can see, that here are options like weather forecast, show week numbers, hide declined events. You can also customize these options. That's it, and I don't think anything new introduced here. Calendar as is, that were present in the Android Nougat version. Nothing new here. And the gallery icons are little bit changed. And in the gallery I want to show you something that actually it's not as part of the Android 8.0 update. It was present in Android 7.0, but it's I want to just show you because there are chances like many people don't know about this. If you go to the search option, you can see that it divides your picture in different types. Like there are options like types like videos, then selective focus, then brushed shot, and then slow motion videos. And there your device, I mean asset, recognizes the people faces, and it shows that faces and in the people category. And there are pictures like based division based on your location, and there are section like documents and things or sceneries. Actually this is a kind of AI thing, artificial intelligence. Based on the artificial intelligence and machine learnings, it categorizes the images, and depending on that you can easily search the image you are searching for. That's it in the gallery section. In the messaging section there is also nothing new introduced. The everything is same. I don't think there are any changes in these S8. Only today I just updated my device to the latest Android version. I did not get much time to check all the updates. Yeah, in all the updates, if you can see any new feature or any new changes that are introduced as part of the 8.0, please let me know in the comment section. And if I find any other changes in the 8.0, I will let you know by uploading a new video to my channel. So to get the latest updates on technologies and everything related to technology, please subscribe to my channel so that you people get all the latest updates quickly, and also press that bell icon to get the notifications from